Court has ordered new discovery around the Clinton emails, the whole case that
Right.
Judicial Watch started. And I'm wondering if you could tell us a little bit more about where that's going. And I understand there's actually you intend to depose Hillary Clinton.
Well, we hope
under
to.
oath. Yeah.
We hope to. Well, the court already had granted us discovery. This was a case where we asked about the Benghazi talking points, the infamous talking points that lied to America under the Obama administration about the terrorist attack on Benghazi, where they said it was a video and not a terrorist attack. So we noticed there were no Clinton emails. And so we pushed on that, and it was that litigation that led to the disclosure, in our view, of the Clinton email issue. Now, the court was interested in granting us discovery to find out whether Mrs. Clinton used that system to avoid FOIA, whether they were trying to game the court and shutting the case down before they disclosed the Clinton emails to us, and exactly where other emails might be that would be responsive to our FOIA and need to be searched. So he granted us discovery. We deposed already 10 or 11 witnesses, and the witnesses and the documents we've uncovered show the Obama White House was involved in the cover-up. The State Department knew full well about the Clinton emails, but was cagey, to put it charitably, and was misleading and lying about what they knew and when to the courts and to requesters for documents that would be impacted by her email system. That Mrs. Clinton was warned repeatedly about her email use, but obviously she continued to do whatever she wanted to do. So the court wanted a status update, and we came back and said, this is what we found. We've raised more, we've found more information that's raised additional questions, and the court agreed with us and granted us new witnesses. I think there are about 8 or 9 witnesses, and Mrs. Clinton and her top aide, Cheryl Mills, we were also requesting to question in person under oath, and he gave them 30 days to respond and to oppose, presumably, what we're trying to do. So that was a great victory. So it's significant new discovery into trying to figure out who knew what and when about the cover-up. But what was really outrageous is we were opposed. This is just 2 weeks ago in federal court by the Justice Department and State Department. We said that we should get no additional discovery, was defending the State Department's handling of that FOIA cover-up, that Clinton email cover-up, and obviously didn't want Hillary Clinton or Cheryl Mills to answer any more questions. Incredible.
Oh, that's remarkable when you put it that way. Why, there's a lot of people out there that I've been kind of, tracking to sort of public opinion around this issue, and there's a lot of people who are basically saying, enough already. Why do you keep bringing up these Clinton emails and so forth? But why is this so important to you?
Well, the court wants answers, so that's why it's important. There was corruption of the courts, it looks like. And we have a right to the documents under the law. And what Mrs. Clinton was doing, and she knew, look, we've had a long history of Mrs. Clinton. She knows what Judicial Watch does. She knows her emails would have been subject to disclosure under FOIA, and she tried to hide them. We want to know what she was trying to hide. We have a right to the documents under law, and it's more important than ever that we do this work, especially since the Justice Department not only has conducted and the FBI sham investigations that protected her from the potential criminal consequences of her crimes, but are actually still defending her. What's outrageous is that many of these issues could have been solved and we could have had answers years ago, but we've been fought every step of the way, either by the cover-up of Mrs. Clinton most directly, or the Justice Department, and fighting us every step of the way. And it hasn't changed with the new administration. The deep state is still running things over at the Justice Department. I think Attorney General Barr is a good guy. I admire what he has to say about Russiagate and Spygate and such. But these lawyers are being allowed to run amok and do whatever they want in terms of obstructing our efforts to get the truth, as both the courts want and the law requires.